If you spend much time on social media, you know it doesn't take very long to come across images of attractive people. Often their faces are filtered and usually they're showing off the positive things going on in their life. Many people believe that if a person is considered attractive, they may experience more advantages or benefits to society simply because of their appearance. This is known as the halo effect. Though in recent years, the halo effect has been modified a bit, so now the term is called pretty privilege. In my video this week, I'll be discussing the pretty privilege paradox and the impact of smiles. So what is pretty privilege? It simply refers to the social advantages, opportunities, or better treatment one receives based on how attractive they look, or how much they conform to society's beauty standards. Now, these beauty standards can change quite a bit and can be very exhausting trying to keep up with the trends. Curly hair, no, straight hair, long nails, short nails, fuller lips, thinner lips. Here are some of the benefits that are believed to be associated with conforming into today's beauty standards. These individuals may appear to have a more positive light. They may look more confident, happier, healthier. They may even look like they have better job opportunities, maybe making more money, or they may even appear to face less scrutiny during certain social situations. You may be wondering why a dental hygienist like myself is even discussing this topic. Well, because teeth play a role. Teeth and eyes are one of the first things people notice, especially in first impressions. Even from a distance, when you see someone smile, it makes them more approachable. Now, having a great smile could also mean that you are able to visit your dentist routinely, get ortho to straighten your teeth, and also afford teeth whitening. Now, there's also a darker side when it comes to pretty privilege. Research has shown that attractive women can experience cognitive dissonance or mental conflict when they benefit from pretty privilege. They may start to question whether their success was truly deserving or if it was based on their appearance alone. Or they may even find it more difficult to create and form authentic friendships. Today, I want to tell each and every one of you that you are beautiful just the way you are. See, the things that make you unique are way more interesting than the things you can do to start looking like everyone else. Now, if you do like keeping up with beauty trends, then of course go for it. Now, if you're interested in improving your face value, here are some common dental procedures that our industry has to offer to improve your smile. We'll start off with orthodontics. Traditional brackets and wires are often a lot faster. They tend to work with bigger cases. If you have a little more severe crowding, a lot more movement that is required. The other option is clear aligners. Clear aligners tend to be easier to maintain good oral hygiene. This is a really big plus for people that are already cavity prone, already have gum inflammation. Makes it much easier to floss and brush just by removing the trays. Obviously, you have to be really compliant and make sure you're wearing those trays for at least 22 hours a day. And they are meant for cases that tend to be a little more minor shifting of the teeth. Now, not only does having straight teeth improve your smile, it also increases your oral and overall health. And of course, teeth whitening is such a great option. There's so many different options on the market. If you want to spend a little more money and you want fast results, you can always schedule a dental visit with your office, ask about teeth whitening. In-office whitening is a great option for fast results. You want to see it, you'll get results within a couple hours. If you don't want to spend the big bucks or schedule a dental visit, then you can do a lot of whitening options at home. We have teeth whitening strips, trays, we even have precision whitening pens. These are all wonderful. These are lower percentage, so they may take a few days to up to a week to get the results you'd like. But because they are a lower hydrogen peroxide, you can use these products more often to help maintain your teeth whitening. And if you have sensitive teeth, the at-home whitening is a great option too. All right, another option is Botox or fillers. You may be surprised, but a lot of dentists can actually administer Botox and fillers. However, laws regarding who can administer Botox or these fillers vary from state to state. States like Texas, they're only allowed to administer Botox for dental related issues such as teeth grinding or clenching. And what they would do is just inject into the masseter muscles to help relax the muscles and help with reducing any TMJ issues. But if you do happen to live in a state that do offer Botox or lip fillers in your dental office, guess what? One popular procedure is if you have a gummy smile, they actually can place a couple injections in between the space between the nose and your lip. This is called the philtrum. They will actually place a few injections that will help relax that muscle that contracts or elevates the lip so that when you're smiling, your lip sits lower, which hides that gummy smile and shows off the pearly whites. And of course, I cannot forget lip fillers. Obviously, this is probably one of the most popular requested procedures. Everybody wants a pouty lip. You do have to take in consideration that Botox and these other derma fillers are only temporary and can get very expensive to achieve or maintain these desired looks. And speaking of expensive, veneers. The question that I get asked a lot in the dental office is if we can get their teeth to look just like their favorite actor or actress. And yes, it is the most expensive option, but it also provides the most dramatic or drastic improvement to a smile. They're commonly used to cover crooked, chipped, or severely discolored teeth. Now, it is very important for the patient to discuss with their dentist the desired shape and the shade of the veneer, how bright they would like their smile to be. Now, crowns is technically another option. Sometimes they're called caps. Dentists do these are more for individual teeth that have large decay. They may have a significant break. Obviously, we recommend it after root canal therapy. All of these are done for more, like I mentioned earlier, more for individual teeth and not so much a whole cosmetic case. Now, from an emotional standpoint, the best smile is a genuine smile. Find the way to build confidence. Wear the clothing that makes you feel comfortable. Go outside, go for a walk, unplug, disconnect from social media, listen to your favorite music, find a good support group of people that are cheering you on, and keep the positivity going. And I'm curious to know what your thoughts or maybe experience you have with pretty privilege. Do you have any advice that you'd be willing to share? Please do drop any comments or questions you have, whether they're dental related. We would be happy to answer them. And please like and subscribe to Burst TV. That way you can catch all our fun and informative videos that our amazing team create every week. Please take care.